got it.
Let them free Nnamdi Kanu. Free. We are the children of God.
Is he in prison?
Yeah, he's in the prison. That's the person we are talking about. He's our prophet.
The leader of the movement.
The leader of indigenous people of Biafra. From the tribe of Jacob. We want him to be free. The Zoo government kidnapped him since a year now.
8 years.
A year, 1 year now, they kidnap him. Innocent man. He's a prisoner of conscience. The man that loves the freedom of his people. They want the freedom of Biafrans that have been killing, subjugation, intimidation, and the denial of their rights by Nigeria government. So wanting to be free. That's what we are protesting all over the world. Not only here, everywhere in the world. We are protesting for the freedom of this man. Thank you.
Are you going to an embassy or now?
No, we are not going to embassy. Today we are only here to protest the Malaysian government as well, for them to know that this is the man we are fighting against, because he has been captured by Nigerian government for the past almost 1 year now. He did nothing because he proclaimed that the Biafra should be free. That Nigerian government should
self-determination is what he asking. Yes, free my people. Let us be free from Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. We are Biafrans. Biafra have been existing before Nigeria. There is no place called Nigeria. British was the one that done all these things. They are the one that merged different people together.
Okay. I see.
They are the one that brought Catholic Church and the Anglican Church to us. They give us Bible. Yes, they are supporting the people that is not Nigeria.
I see.
Just because of what? Oil and gas they saw in our land. That is why we are suffering all over the world.
Okay.
Because of the natural resources God give to us. Okay, take the oil, leave us. Take the oil, let us be free. Let us control our future, let us rule ourselves. They said no.
I see.
Every year they will go and bring one pauper to make him a Nigerian president to suffocate the rest of other tribes. They call Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. We are Biafrans.
Okay.
Somewhere.